Namaste. This is Natesha Polepalli here from Ahoratra that works towards unearthing the ancient wisdom of Indian Vedic sciences. Sammohini is one of the tools. Today, children found a pigeon that got trapped in the balcony and was struggling to fly free. The intention of Sammohini is to support all the beings when they are in real need. Actually, Sammohini decreases the level of stress by putting the external conscious mind to rest and awaken the inner conscious to reform as well as to reach the stress free, peaceful state consequently. Today, by using the same technique of Sammohini on the pigeon, view this magic, its direct impact as it successfully found its way of the balcony. Thank you very much.